Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the Birds of Paradise flower and Grow Garden game of Roblox Bizzy Bee update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is one of the plants from the Bizzy Bee update and Grow a Garden. And I've already purchased the seed and planted this seed in my garden. And this is how the Birds of Paradise seed looks like. Honey Birds of Paradise. And I'm going to collect it. And I'm going to show you guys where you can get the seed. You need to go to the honey coin shop if you want to buy the Birds of Paradise seed. You can go to this shop. Okay. And you can buy it from here. If I'm not mistaken, it cost 5k honey coins, but it's really worth, guys. It can give you a lot of honey coins. Okay, I've already compressed my plants, but wait. Done for the compression. Oh, I think my honey birds of paradise has not been included. So let me compress it again. Alright, it's ready. I'm going to collect it. I got 6k honey coins. Okay guys, and that's all about the honey birds of paradise flower in Grey Garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.